a handful of peeled shallots, and a handful of peeled garlic. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a cube of tamarind paste. This is homemade tamarind paste. Half a teaspoon of hing, 1.5 tablespoons of South Indian garam masala, and 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. These are the ingredients we need. Closely chop the onions and garlic. Okay. Pour the oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. If you have curry leaves, add a handful of them also. We don't have at the moment, but if you do, add them. When the fenugreek seeds become nicely roasted, add the onions and garlic. Cook it in low flame. Add the hing. Add the turmeric powder. And add a little chili powder. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt as per your taste. At this time, add 1.5 tablespoons of South Indian garam masala. If you don't have South Indian garam masala, you can add sambar powder. Wow, it's smelling so yummy now itself. You can add the tamarind now. Add 2 cups of water. Let the water boil and reduce it to half. Add half a teaspoon of brown sugar or jaggery. It brings out the taste of the tamarind and the spices. In 10 minutes, your garlic curry will be ready. You can either eat this with rice and papadam, or you can eat this with idli and dosha. Either way, it will be fantastic. So yummy. I love it so much. Hats off to the cook.